Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volkswagen Passat. It's in really good condition, full service history. It's had the timing belt, the cam belt done very recently. As you can see, it's finished in black. You've got the front park distance control, rear park distance control. It has literally just arrived, so it's got a bit of work to do to it yet, MOTs as well. The bodywork's in lovely condition. Just started up. It's 103,732 miles. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel for Bluetooth, auto headlights, satellite navigation, menu there, app connect, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, air conditioning, different driving style modes, a USB and an aux. It drives absolutely lovely. DJH Prestige Sports, we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.